Hey everyone, this is Dhruvin and I welcome you all to my new Power BI Embedded Step-by-Step series. You are watching fourth part of this series, and in this session I am going to explain you about the common steps that we need to perform for Power BI Embedded with ASP.NET SDK. So now let's get started. During the third part of this series, we have discussed about app owns data concept and user owns data concept in detail. During this session, I am going to explain you about the common steps that we need to consider for Power BI embedded development. The very first step is that we need to choose the proper authentication mechanism for our Power BI embedded approach. So let's say for an example, if we are going to use app owns data concept, we will be having two types of authentication mechanism available. One is using service principal and second is using master account. We will be talking about both of these authentication mechanism in detail in the next session of this series. The second important step is that we need to register our Power BI application into Azure AD and we need to assign some permissions for accessing the Power BI content. The third important step is that you should have the Power BI workspace available. Fourth important step is that you need to publish your Power BI report into Power BI workspace. Fifth important step is we need to authenticate our Azure AD app either using service principal or using master account using username and password. The sixth important step is we need to generate the access token in order to render the Power BI report. And the seventh important step is that we need to embed the Power BI report using user owns or apps owns data concept. So these are the 7 most common steps that we need to consider in order to get started with Power BI development process. Now, as you can see here, the first 4 points are something which is related Azure AD and Power BI service, and the 5th, 6th and 7th topic is something which is a part of .NET solution, or we can perform that using .NET SDK. So stay tuned over there. Now, in the next step, I am going to explain you about different types of authentication mechanism that is available for Power BI embedded with ASP.NET SDK. So stay tuned to my next session. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel. I am uploading new video related Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agent, Teams and SharePoint every day on my YouTube channel. Also, you can follow me on my Facebook, LinkedIn and Twitter account. Links are available over here. Also, if you wish to receive the daily notification about all my new videos on your WhatsApp number, you just need to click on this particular link. This will be redirecting you to this page. Fill the form and you will be receiving daily notification about all my new videos on your WhatsApp number. Also, if you wish to listen different Power Platform related podcast, you just need to click on this particular link. This will redirect you to my podcast homepage. From here, you can listen your favorite Power Platform related podcast on your favorite podcast platform like Google Podcast, Apple Podcast, Spotify, and much more. This is Dhruvin signing off. See you in the next session. Have a great day. Goodbye.